devastate, devastate, overturn, overturn, reunite, reunite, on screen, on screen, showcase, showcase, remarkable, remarkable, morph, morph, weary of, weary of. There's no available food, running water, or electricity in the Spanish town of Paiporta, which was devastated by flash floods this week. Nearly everyone's car there is overturned or destroyed, and rescuers are still pulling bodies from mud-filled homes. The flooding has killed at least 205 people, mostly in the region of Valencia, making it the deadliest natural disaster in Spain's recent history. 3 decades after starring together in Forrest Gump, Tom Hanks and Robin Wright reunited on screen in Here. The film, which arrived in theaters today, follows a couple from age 18 into their 80s. It also showcases the remarkable capabilities of artificial intelligence, morphing the faces of Hanks and Wright as their characters age. For now, much of Hollywood is weary of AI, particularly its potential to replace human jobs. But the writer Devin Gordon suggests that the technology might benefit the industry more than we realize. Virtue, virtue, philosopher, philosopher, acquire, acquire, reliably, reliably, ultra runner, ultra runner, implicate, implicate, virtue. Many philosophers have written about it, but few are more associated with the idea than Aristotle, for whom virtues are acquired by doing. We have to do them to be them. For example, acting kindly until we are reliably kind. Sabrina Little, a philosophy professor and champion ultra runner, says sports can be helpful for forming virtues. Our character is implicated in how we train. Cast, cast, dizzying, dizzying, contentious, contentious, non-consecutive, non-consecutive, down ballot, down ballot, sticker price, sticker price, profit margin, profit margin, skyrocket, skyrocket. Tens of millions of Americans went to the polls today to elect the next president. Some voters, particularly in the West, have a few more hours to cast their ballots. But soon, the dizzying and contentious race between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris will become an exercise in patience as votes are being counted. No matter who wins, this election will make history. Harris, who began her campaign just over 100 days ago, would be the first woman ever elected to the country's highest office. Trump would be the second ever president to serve non-consecutive terms, and the first to be elected after being convicted of a felony. While Harris and Trump attract the most attention, important down-ballot races are being held across the country. Control of the Senate will most likely be decided in the 9 most competitive races. The House has dozens of close races, which will determine the party in power. Whoever is president will struggle to accomplish their goals if their opponents hold power in Congress. Car buyers across America, even those with comfortable incomes, are dropping out of the new car market as prices soar. The average price of a new auto this year is $48,205, up 21% from 5 years ago. Blame it on ballooning sticker prices resulting from more technology, automakers' quest for fatter profit margins, and skyrocketing auto loan rates.